If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Bars. Today in this video I'll be reviewing this wireless Bluetooth earphone from Tagg, and these are the sports earphone and these are the best in this price range. So I got it at a price of 2700 and the MRP quoted here is 4300. And these are the specifications that are here. That is, it has built-in microphone and it has a splash proof IPX4. It has a noise cancellation and stored music. It's compatible with iOS and Android as well, and it has a carrying case. So I have already opened the box. I have already broken the seal, so just let us open it. Inside the box you get the carrying case. This looks amazing, and at the top you get the Tagg branding, and beside this we get the USB to micro USB charging cable and some user guides and manual, so you can read it for your important purpose. So now let's keep this aside and let's move to our product. So inside this case you get the earphone itself, and the build quality and the wire quality is just amazing. It has a flat wires, and you get the ear hook so that it fits perfectly to your ears, and inside that you get the different size of earbuds, so you can use it whichever fits you perfectly. So the sound quality is amazing, and the bass and all the performance here, it's just good. You just have to press this the button here. As you can see, this works as a button for 3 seconds, and the earphone will get connected to your device, and you can play music with great ease. You can use it for jogging or running whenever you go out, and these are the best for traveling also, and as it doesn't get tangled, and it's just amazing to wear at those moments. And the design of this earphone is awesome. As you can see here, and you get the two buttons to volume up and volume down, and also here is the charging port. You can just charge it here using this using the cable given in the box. So these are quite good, and the sound quality, I bet it's amazing. And in this price range I don't get any of the bad effects, and the highs, mids and lows all are just amazing, and the quality is just good. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.